Hello again. This is second video on the cinematic timeline program. This is just a modification to the first one where I considered the cinematic file to be just a text file. Here I am using the .j3o files of cinematic. When I first tried to save and load the cinematic using the binary exporter and importer directly, I had some problems regarding the animation events or the model of the animation event. There were some problems in retrieving the model back from the file, and I thought this may be because of the direct use of the binary importer, and I actually asked about or asked if this problem is normal or I was doing something wrong, and I tried to fix it my own way until I get an answer. What I did was that I added a save wrapper and load wrapper to the animation event class, inside which I save the model to a separate file and the remainder of the animation event to another file. And while loading, I pass the asset manager to the load wrapper to retrieve the model using the asset manager, and I don't know to what extent this is a good practice, but it worked. I also had to add a save and load wrapper to the cinematic itself because it has animation events in it, and also for the timeline class and the keyframe class as where it also has its array list of cinematic events. This results in that saving cinematic will be something like this. This is the cinematic file which I actually give in the program, while all the others are automatically saved or loaded. For example, the animation event syncs. Each animation has a model saving file and the animation saving file. Also, each keyframe, key 0, animation code, and model saving, and so on. And now I'm going to show the program. This is the same timeline as before. I'm going to add 2 ninjas fighting cinematic. So this cinematic has a sound cinematic event and animation events, and two animation events each for each mod. If I add cinematics at different times, it works. This is an elephant motion event. I'm adding 3 and the 2 ninjas fighting again. Here I put a combination of them. And elephant jumping.
J-Punk the engine really kicks.
And that's it. Thank you.